Let's go ahead and remove this plastic trim panel right here. To do this, I'm going to use a plastic trim tool, and I'm going to carefully try to pry this away from the door panel. There we are. Now I'm going to carefully bend this a little bit, and we can start disconnecting the wiring. All right, I'm just going to use a pocket screwdriver. I'll come right in between this area here. We're going to separate that wiring. Inspect it. Make sure you don't see any funny colors. If you do, it's corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. We have the wiring off of there. Let's continue on to pressing in on the tabs. There's going to be a tab on the upper area of the switch, and then there's another tab on the exact same area except on the lower area. Just go ahead and press in on this, and then press it down a little bit, and then do the same on the other side. All right, that just popped out for us. Perfect. Okay, friends, it's time to install our brand new switch. Now you want to make sure that you have this portion facing up. You can see that it kind of bubbles out a little bit. And then you have the inverted portion. That's going to be for down. So make sure you have it in this sequence right here. We'll just line it up with the holes inside the plastic right there. And then gently press it in once it's lined up perfectly. All right, now I'm just going to try to push it from the other side. I want to try to ensure that the switch can't fall out of this area right here. It's nice and firm. Feels good. We can move along. Click, tug. Perfect. Now along the back side of this, or on this portion right here, you kind of have a little area that's going to need to slide in and under on the inside there. Once that's into its position, we can gently slide all the rest of this in. Couple loving bonks, make sure it's secure.